Alright guys, I am the AfroGirl and welcome to MX Breakz, where I give you all the updates in the world of lifestyle and entertainment in Ghana and across the world. We start off our stories with controversial Ghanaian comedian Efia Schwarzenegger, who has walked down the aisle again. The mother of three whose last marriage ended in a big scandal has shared that she's a married woman yet again in Manhattan, New York. In a series of posts on her Instagram, Efia is seen wearing a beautiful white dress while showing off her huge wedding ring. Although Efia has not shared photos of her supposed husband, she did give out a name, Mr. Dia, and congratulations to her. If she's not lying to us, yeah, congratulations to her. Moving on, the Ghana Outstanding Woman Awards, GOA, is set to bestow a remarkable honor on veteran Ghanaian actress Belinda Na Ode Oku, popularly known as Ajwa Smart, at the 2023 edition of the award scheme. According to Efua Santwa Edionum, the CEO of Ascoff Productions, not much attention has been paid to Ajwa Smart despite her distinctive talent and unforgettable contributions to the Ghanaian entertainment industry. The honorary award is therefore in recognition of her immense contribution to the space, specifically the Ghana movie industry. And I think this is absolutely well deserved. Moving on, Ghanaian record producer A-Town has ordered rapper Kweku Smoke to remove all his beats from his forthcoming albums. He reacted after Kweku Smoke unveiled tracklists for his 2 albums scheduled to drop on the 1st of September 2023. And this is the tracklist. We have Can't Fall, Right Here, Do That, Guap, Don't Leave, Need You, Ashes, Rock Your World, No Limits, Body, Here We Are. And he posted this on Twitter. And then A-Town quoted the tweet with, "Yo, remove all my beats on this you call an album. I don't have any sort of affiliation with you." And we hope that this is actually not a publicity stunt to push the album, because if it is, I don't think it's going the way they thought it would go, because, again, not a lot of people have reacted to the post. Not a lot of people are talking about it as they should or they would have. But if it's actually true to the AA, please, we better calm down. Relax for the man them, all right? Moving on to our last story. Now, before I even start this story, please, viewer discretion is advised. Singer Miguel has taken his performance art to an excruciating new level after being suspended in the air on stage with metal hooks apparently attached to his skin. He previewed new music from his forthcoming album Viscera during an intimate show at Sony Studios in Los Angeles, California on Friday. What seemed to be a normal show soon turned into something completely left field as Miguel performed a new song called Rope. The topless musician appeared to have his back pierced by 2 metal hooks. Video footage shows him slowly being lifted in the air with only the wires to support him as he continued performing this song. My goodness. Why? Why would anyone do this to themselves? Why would you subject yourself to so much pain? Personally, I don't even understand why people do tattoos, because I feel like that's like, you know, some sort of pain level I cannot, you know, handle. And then this is going, wow. Somebody says 50 Shades of Miguel. Wow. Guys, that's how I end MX Breakz. With me, the Afro-Girl. You know what to do, everything entertainment and lifestyle. We at MX24, we've got you. So give us a follow on our social media platforms at MX24GH. I'm out.